I'm Lori Fangio with Around the Table, and today I'm in the kitchen showing you how to dip shortbread into milk chocolate to make a delicious treat. So let's get started turning our shortbread cookies into yummy chocolate treats. I've already melted my chocolate in the microwave, and I've got this beautiful milk chocolate. When you melt your chocolate, you always want to do it with the least amount of heat as possible. And I know a lot of people like to have you melt chocolate in a double boiler, but one of the enemies of chocolate is water. So I like to melt my chocolate in the microwave in 30-second intervals. All you do is just stir it in between so that you don't get too much heat. That's another enemy of chocolate. So this is absolutely perfect. Look how luscious that is. So now we're going to take our shortbread cookies, and these I happen to make from scratch, and I always like to make heart-shaped shortbread cookies because I think they're really cute. You can make your own shortbread cookies, or you can buy shortbread at the grocery store, but all you're going to do is just dip your